Hi everybody, how are you? It's Miranda here doing life, and today in my life I have a couple of things. I have 2 months worth of Scentbird that I haven't opened yet, and I also have what I'm calling an Instagram made me buy it. So hang on and I'll tell you what's in it.
There must be another way, there must be conscience, different things in different ways. There must be love, there must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way.
Okay, so I really don't know which is April and which was May's, but I'll go ahead. It doesn't really matter. If you don't know, Scentbird is $15 a month and you get to pick a perfume, you can pick some kind of skincare, you can pick a candle. They have really widened the spectrum on what you can pick. Makeup, I've gotten a deck of Scarlet palettes from them, and this is probably the very first subscription that I ever got, although I didn't know back then what unboxings and all that were. I have been getting this probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 years now, and so let's open it up and see what I picked. I think I did feel that they were both scents. A lot of times I will pick one for myself and one for Mike. The next month I'll flip-flop them because we both really enjoy perfume and cologne. Alright, so when you get it, it just comes in this little cardboard tube. Your very first one, you can get 50% off if you use my link, and it will come like in a nicer tube. I lost mine somewhere along the way and I can't find it, but let's see. Okay, this one is a Valentino and it has this little card with it. So this is what the bottle would look like if you bought the full size. These are just 30-day supplies. And let's see, it says erythral whispers of bergamot and orange blossom fade into a floral heart of pale rose, and skin soft jasmine and tuberose. Gossamer strands of amber and patchouli complete this delicate feminine scent. So it has jasmine, orange blossom, patchouli, tuberose, and amber. All right. Why did I do that? I have already some on, so I don't really want to. Here, I'll spray the card and see. Smells more, it smells to me kind of citrusy, so that's probably a lot of that orange blossom and amber coming out, but I don't know if it's my favorite, but I will use it or give it to somebody. All right, so that is that month, but I don't know what month it was. Then I have this one. Let's see if it's both mine. Actually, you can do a queue, and I think you can do up to 12. I'm pretty sure I need to update my queue, so no telling what they're sending me because I don't think that I picked any of these. All right. This one is the Confessions of a Rebel. Bitch, please. That's what it says. All right, so this says, in your face fruit notes like black currant mingle with jasmine petals, weaving a decadent web tinged with an element of sass, bold, brash, and unafraid to bear it all. Creamy sandalwood and skin musk evoke a carefree, confident kind of vibe. You know exactly who you are, and you are, in fact, the effing boss. So it has black currant, jasmine, sandalwood, and skin musk. So let's open this one. I guess Mike doesn't get one, but he's not here, so I guess it doesn't matter. and see what it smells like. I love the name, actually. That smells good. That smells, yeah. That's got the fruity kind of scent, but a little bit of like more of a not sweet smell, more of a savory kind of sweet. All right, so there is that one. I like that, and I will definitely wear this one when I'm feeling a little sassy. All right, then this one is my Instagram. It made me buy it. It rolled across my screen and said, I think you could buy either a mystery one of them for $8 or 3 for $24. I just got the one, and it's by Live Love Shop. And to be honest, this has been sitting on my counter for a while. Let's see if I can get it open. Curious what's in here because it's a mystery. All right, I've really been wearing a lot of graphic tees. This one I think I got from Target. It says choose happy, if I don't fall off my stool. The brand is Canvas. Oh, so that's a good brand. I love these brands of t-shirts. All right, so, oh, it says good vibes. Awesome. I like it. I like the dusty rose color, and the Canvas t-shirts are always really soft. This one is an extra large. It might be a little big. We'll see though. If nothing else, I can tuck it in or I can wear it to bed. But I really like this, and I can't wait to wear it. All right, if you guys liked this Scentbird video and the Instagram made me buy it, then give it a big thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I post all of my videos. And I will definitely be doing more of the Instagram or Facebook made me buy it videos.
Like the party, listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. You with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say.